Musta na dyan mga karitim? At ito maggagawa ulit ako ng reaction video sa paborito nating bandang France Rhythm. At ang ito ay ano lang, hindi pa ano to, yung mga cover song nilang ina-upload sa ano. Ito ay rehearsal lang nila. Rehearsal pa lang pero ang ganda na panoorin. Okay, umpisa natin.
There's a fire within my soul. There's one.
Tingnan mo, kasaya-saya nila. Parang ano lang sila eh. Magkakapatid lang eh. Ang turingan nila. Pati sa tatay nila. Parang mahalata mong talagang magandang samahan nila. Ang buong pamilya.
This one. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Absent si Dodds. Wala si Dodds.
There's a fire within my soul. Just one. One more. One more.
Just one.
Just one.
One to go.
Just one. Looking, I can hear a bell ring. One more.
Just one.
Just one. Looking, I can hear a bell ring. One more.
Tatawanan lang.
Mabaw ako. Mabaw ko na ba eh. Wow. Mama Mia. Mama Mia sa utang sa.
Mama Arvin.
Mama Mia sa. Mama Mia sa.
Mama Mia. Here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mama Mia. Now I really know. Mama.
Ito sa ubas. Mama Mia.
There's a fire within my soul. Just one. One more. One more.
One more. Ano dito?
Just
Mabog mabog. Ini nga ba?
Just one.
Ako ba?
One more. Just one.
Just one. Sudah. Sige, balik na. Lods! Tama, Lods!
Oh, tinawag na si Dodds.
Okay.
Just one. There's a fire within my soul. Just one.
Galing.
Saan ko to? Kalabit to.
Just one. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
There's a fire within my soul. Just one. Can I can hear a bell ring? One more. Can I forget everything?
One more. One more. Just one. Ano siya?
Just one.
Right.
There's a fire within my soul. Just one. Can I can hear everything? One more. Can I forget everything? Oh, Mamma Mia. Here I go again. My mind, how can I resist you? Now I really know. My life, I can never let you go. Ay, kadwa.
Ang galing.
Dito, tingnan.
Yeah.
Ang galing ni
You
Char.
know that I'm not that strong. Just one,
Just one. You know it.
that's wrong. Just one.
One more. One more.
Mamma Mia, here I go again. Mama, just how much I miss you. Mamma Mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I miss you. Every time you're broken hearted, losing the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. Mama, I could never let you
Sa ABAP pag kinanta nila to, live man o sa yung official video nila, official na record nila, duet si yung dalawang babae doon eh. Apat sila. Meron pa rin, kumbaga na may second part harmony o third part harmony yung dalawang lalaki. Yung dalawang babae, nasa melody silang dalawa.
Mamma mia, does it show again? Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Mamma mia. Bye bye. Mamma mia, here I go again. Bye bye. How can I resist you? My last year. My mind, there's so much I miss you. And I'll be broken hearted. Ooh, this is the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia, I really know. My mind, I could never let you go.
Ang saya-sayang practice nila, saya-saya nila mag-practice. Nakamute na sila, nakamute. Okay po, thank you so much sa panonood nyo sa video ko. At again, yung mga hindi pa naka-subscribe, paki-subscribe naman. At paki-share na rin. Hanggang sa susunod muli. Bye muna ngayon.